Welcome to my channel Passion Food and Health. Today we are discussing the medications that cause heart attack. Medications that cause heart attack. I can provide information on common medicines that can potentially increase the risk of heart attacks. It is important to note that the effects may vary from person to person, and it is crucial to seek advice from a healthcare professional regarding any concern. Here are 6 common medications and their potential effects. We are discussing 6 common medications and their potential effects on heart related to heart attack. Number 1, NSAIDs, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, such as ibuprofen or naproxen. Ibuprofen or naproxen can increase the risk of heart attacks, especially when used in high dose or for long period, can cause heart attack. Number 2, decongestants. Decongestants like pseudoephedrine, found in nasal decongestants. Pseudoephedrine, which is found in nasal decongestants, can raise blood pressure and potentially lead to heart issues in some individuals. So avoid NSAIDs and decongestants. Decongestants rise blood pressure and lead to heart issues in some individuals. Number third is antidepressants. Certain antidepressants, such as tricyclic antidepressants, TCACs, tricyclic antidepressants, or selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, SSRIs, may have side effects that impact heart health. Serotonin reuptake inhibitors have side effects on heart health. Use carefully antidepressants and serotonin reuptake inhibitors. Antidepressants have a crucial role on heart attack. Number 4 is birth control pills. Particularly women over 35 years or more, or those who smoke, can elevate the risk of blood clots, which can lead to heart attacks. The birth control pills also role in heart attack. Today we are discussing the medications that cause heart attack. The next one is corticosteroids. Corticosteroids, used to treat inflammation, can raise blood pressure and affect cholesterol levels, potentially impacting heart health. Use corticosteroids wisely because they cause high blood pressure, issues in cholesterol level, and potentially damaging heart health and lead to heart attack. Today we are discussing the medications that cause heart attack. The next is number 6, medicines that use in migraine type of headache. Migraine medications. Some migraine drugs like ergotamine or triptans ergotamine or triptans can cause blood vessels to constrict, which may affect heart health in certain individuals. Use migraine medications very wisely and avoid ergotamine or triptans, which cause migraine in many individuals. Migraine is a serious disease of headache, ultimately lead to heart attack if excessive use of migraine medications, some migraine drugs, lead to heart attack. Today we are discussing the 6 medications which cause heart attack. NSAIDs, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, ibuprofen or naproxen, decongestants like pseudoephedrines, certain antidepressants, tricyclic antidepressants or serotonin reuptake inhibitors, birth control pills, corticosteroids, and migraine medications. These all are causes of heart attack. Use medication very wisely and consult your healthcare professionals, heart specialists. If you have any concern about these medications or their effect on heart health, it is best to consult with a healthcare provider for personalized advice and guidance. I can provide information on common medicines that potentially increase the risk of heart attack. It is important to note that the effect may vary from person to person, and it's crucial to seek advice from a healthcare professional regarding any concerns. We are discussing the 6 common medications and their potential effects. Share with my video with your friends and relatives, and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon. Passion, Food and Health. And today we are discussing the 6 medications that cause heart attack, blood clot, severe heart issues. To avoid all this, you can maintain your heart health and your heart remain healthy. Avoid these 6 medications and overdose of these medications. In any disease like migraine, don't overdose of these medicines which mentioned earlier. Thank you very much for watching Passion, Food and Health.